Today we will learn methods of preparing hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas can be prepared by three methods. The first method of preparing hydrogen gas is by the action of cold water or boiling water or steam over active metals. Let us see how we can prepare hydrogen from cold water. First method is by the action of the cold water or boiling water or steam over active metals. First, let us see how we can prepare hydrogen from cold water. Remember, there are only three metals which can react with cold water to liberate hydrogen gas, and those three metals are potassium, sodium and calcium. Let us see the reaction. Now, potassium reacts with cold water to form potassium hydroxide and hydrogen gas will be liberated. Same way, sodium also reacts with cold water to form twice NaOH plus hydrogen gas. Calcium also can react with cold water to form calcium hydroxide plus hydrogen gas. So remember, there are only three metals, potassium, sodium and calcium, which can react with cold water to liberate hydrogen gas. Now let us see how we can prepare hydrogen gas from boiling water. Now there are few moderately active metals like magnesium and zinc which can react with boiling water to liberate hydrogen gas. Let us see the reaction. From boiling water, remember, metals like magnesium, zinc, they can react with boiling water to liberate hydrogen gas. For example, Mg plus twice H2O, which is boiling water, gives MgOH whole twice plus hydrogen gas. Now let us see how we can prepare hydrogen gas from steam. There are certain less active metals like magnesium, iron, aluminium. They can react with steam to liberate hydrogen gas. So from steam, zinc reacts with steam to form ZnO plus H2 hydrogen gas. Same way, iron, red hot iron reacts with superheated steam to form Fe3O4 plus 4H2. So this is one method by which we can prepare hydrogen gas. Second way by which we can prepare hydrogen gas is by the action of dilute hydrochloric acid or dilute sulfuric acid on active metals. Let us see this reaction also. Second method by which we can prepare is hydrogen is by the action of dilute hydrochloric acid or dilute sulfuric acid over active metals. Let us see few reactions. Say for example, zinc reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid to form zinc chloride and hydrogen gas is liberated. Let's take another metal, magnesium reacts with dilute sulfuric acid to form MgSO4 plus hydrogen gas. We come to third method by which we can prepare hydrogen. The third method of preparing hydrogen gas is by the action of hot alkalis like sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide on certain metals like zinc, aluminum, tin. Let us see the reactions. By the action of hot alkalis, example NaOH or KOH over certain metals like zinc, lead, aluminum, tin. Let us see the reaction of zinc reacts with hot sodium hydroxide to form Na2ZnO2 plus H2. Let's take another example. Twice Al plus twice NaOH plus twice H2 will give twice NaAlO2 plus thrice H2. So this was the third method by which we can prepare hydrogen. So these are the three methods by which hydrogen can be prepared.